Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can drop folder into your Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you can see here a folder, and this folder I want to lock in. So first I will set you a very simple way. Before that, you need to ensure that your Microsoft account is administrator. How are you gonna check it? Just come over your start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for settings. So you can see over here there is an email. So if you click on that, you can see over here that at the end you can see the administrator sign is going over here. So if your Gmail or if your email ID has these options, then you can lock your folder into Windows 10 or 11. So first I will click on this and then click on your right mouse button and click on the show more options and go for at the end properties section. Click on that and here is my folder properties. So here we need to go for the security option, and here you just need to click on the empty section and click on edit. And by here you can see there is the administrator section. If you click on that and if you click on this deny section and click on apply and click yes and click OK and OK. And now if you try to open it, you can see you will get this kind of you don't currently have permissions to access this folder. If you click on continue, they will never give you the permission to go into this folder. So I will show you how you're going to unlock it. Click on your right mouse button, go for show more options, go for properties, go for the security options, click on your edit section, click on the administrator option and deny all of them like this. And if you click on apply and click OK, and you can see you can open it without any hesitation. So it is not that much secure. For that, I will give you another options that can help you to secure your folder. First of all, come over your search option, and here you will need to search for Winner. If you have this app, then I will show you a way. But if you don't have it, then go to your Google Chrome and search for Winner, and then click on the Winner download and download from here Winner. So after download, you just need to click on your this folder, click on your right mouse button and go for here. You can see that Winner icon. So here you can see this is Winner, and if you click on add to archive, here you will get the archive name and parameters. So from here you can set password, and if you click on the set password, I will give my password like this and I will retype the password and then click the encrypt file names, click OK, and now here you will get this folder. So you just need to delete this folder, and you can see this http.r. If you click on that, here you can see they are looking for the password that you've given. So if I give the password, if I click OK, you can open the folder that you secured, that you can open the folder whenever you want. So this is how you can lock your folder into Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.